Hey guys, this is the second video in the installment for verses and tips, and I did a little online survey to see who wanted me to do what kind of poem that has already been published. The poem that was chosen by the most amount of people was the poem Wolf that was published in Cosmonauts Avenue this past summer, and so I'm gonna do Wolf for you. Wolf. Found her naked, arms wrapped around a photo of us, candle wax in the carpet, shards of light cutting into her brown skin. Last night the walls bled. God came up in the house, she said, was now in our adjusted periphery and in her legs now. Dropped the drum in her belly. She a wolf now, she say, I ate the moon whole. She say she full of brooms and weapons now. Sweats like a pit bull. She say she can smell the shit on me. She say, I finally found a way to get the blood out the carpet. Gets down on all four, starts licking. She say she a witch now. Can't nobody break what's broken and I'm all ivory. My sister, she want me to get gone. She say she can see the devil itch in a man's skin now. She say they gon' know I'm a beast now. My sister got a growl the size of Texas chilling in her teeth and a new video online of her panting. Touch me again and I will tear this motherfucker down.
Bars.